This is Transistor. It is the reason we are here. I'm talking to you and you're watching this film. This is world's first computer with transistor in it, and there were 200 transistors in it. That was huge. Actually huge. Equals to room. Then there is Apple's first iPod, which had around 200,000 transistors. Coming to the present, this is Apple's latest M5 chip. And can you make a guess how many transistors there are in it? 28 billion transistors. So what has happened in the last few decades that made transistor, which once built an entire room, are now packed by billions onto a single chip that fits in the palm of our hand? Transistor, which works as an automatic switch. If electricity flows through it, it's on, and if it doesn't flow it through it, it's off. It solved the problem for sharing a bit of information which don't need manpower. Transistor has three pins: emitter, base, and collector. Inside transistor, there are three semiconductors NPN, making the emitter and collector N-type and the base as P-type. Emitter is heavily doped, collector is moderately doped, whereas the base is lightly doped. Now, we want to continue the flow of electron, but the depletion layer, which is neutral and act as a barrier between positive and negative charge, we have to make it thinner to continue the flow of electrons. So we connect a potential to collector with positive terminal, and still it is not able to attract electrons due to the depletion layer between these two semiconductors. So we add a potential p-type which makes it positively charged. Now each and every gap is filled, allowing electrons flow from emitter to collector. As electrons flow from emitter to collector, conventionally current or electricity will flow in its opposite direction from collector to emitter. Now completing the circuit, as we give potential to p-type, high amount of electricity starts flowing, making the transistor on. But if we stop the voltage or potential given to the p-type, the whole p-type becomes neutral and stops the flow of electron, creating a barrier, resulting the transistor as off. It's the base which controls the flow of electricity. If circuit is closed, the electricity flows. If it's open, the electricity stops flowing. That makes given input 1 as on results 1 as electricity flowing, and vice versa.